Hey there, everybody. So, came out today at the Perfecto Cat Lounge. Ooh, check this out. You get so pretty kitties. And you just get to pet them and love them and soak up just all their pretty love. Look at this place. Oh my gosh, I did not see the cat up there.
Oh, there's a cat in a bowl. Oh, it's so cute.
They have a place like this in Vegas where I dropped off my kittens that me and my son were fostering for a while. That was really fun, but it did not look anything. This is, I want to live here. Yeah, they're awesome. Say hi, kitties. What'd you do today? Check this place out, guys. Oh, you're gonna come down. Look at you. Hi there, beautiful. Ha ha. Yep, this would be an awesome place to live as a kitty. I know, he just is. This is what life's all about. Look at how cute they are. Like, yeah, they have no worries in the world. See? Look at this one. This one just fell asleep on the side, you know. That's meow or never. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at this one. Hi there. Oh, yes. Aren't you cute? Oh, I know. Hi. Oh, you're adorable. Yeah. This is a great place. See? Somebody's dream to have this. That's what y'all do. I love this place. It's a coffee cat bar. And you just get to love on them.